When we look from Earth, the sky appears blue, but from space it looks black. Why is that? Why do humans send more missions 180 million kilometers away to Mars instead of just focusing on Earth's resources? And why does an astronaut's height increase in space? Welcome once again, dear viewers. This is the Milky Way galaxy, and inside this galaxy lies a tiny dot of dust, our Earth, where we live today. The astonishing fact is that there are about 125 billion galaxies like this one in the entire universe. And today in this video, you will learn some amazing facts about space surrounding our world. Number 1. In 1977, NASA launched a spacecraft to travel into deep space. This spacecraft was called Voyager 1. In 2012, it entered interstellar space, and currently, it is billions of kilometers away from Earth, still continuously sending data back to NASA. Number 2. On Earth, we see just one moon daily. But in our solar system, there's a planet that has a total of 79 moons. Yes, that's Jupiter, which is 907 million kilometers away from Earth. Meanwhile, Mercury and Venus are the only planets in our solar system with no moons. Number 3. According to science, humans appeared on Earth around 5 million years ago, but our solar system is 4.5 billion years old, far older than humanity. Number 4. Mount Everest is Earth's tallest mountain, more than 10 times taller than the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa. But surprisingly, on Mars there's a mountain 3 times bigger than Everest called Olympus Mons. Number 5. The speed of light is about 1.8 billion kilometers per hour. If something travels at this speed for 1 year, the distance it covers is called 1 light year. Number 6. Our Earth is part of the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is about 157,000 light years wide, and scientists estimate there are 125 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Number 7. The Sun is about 330,000 times heavier than Earth. Number 8. A total of 11 people have walked on the moon. According to NASA, their footprints are still there and will never disappear because the moon has no air or wind to erase them. Number 9. If a person weighs 80 kilograms on Earth, on Mars their weight would drop by 60%, meaning they would weigh only 30 kilograms because Mars gravity is much weaker. Number 10. A day on Earth is 24 hours, but on Mercury, one day lasts 2,439 minutes and 5 seconds. Similarly, a year on Earth is 365 days, while a Martian year is 687 days, since Mars is farther from the Sun and takes longer to orbit it. Number 11. The moon's diameter is 3,476 kilometers. That means if the moon were placed on top of the United States, it would fit easily with plenty of space left around it. Number 12. Ocean waves don't rise because of the wind, but mainly because of the moon. The moon's gravity pulls Earth's water towards it, creating tides. Number 13. Pluto is so small that it could fit entirely within the country of India. Number 14. Counting the stars in the sky is impossible. A rough estimate suggests there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches combined. Number 15. The International Space Station (ISS) is the largest and most expensive human-made structure in space. Number 16. If any liquid is released into space, it automatically forms into a perfect sphere. Number 17. On Earth, 70% is water and 30% is land. Yet humans have explored only 5% of Earth's oceans. Meanwhile, to search for water on Mars, 180 million kilometers away, humans have already sent 15 missions. Number 18. No matter how powerful a telescope is, we can see at most 5% of the universe. Number 19. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes, not 10, but often said to reach Earth. This means that when you see the sun in the sky, you are actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. Number 20. The International Space Station completes 16 orbits around Earth every 24 hours, meaning it circles Earth once every 90 minutes. Number 21. In 2016, scientists received a radio signal from space coming from about 5 billion light years away. This means when that signal was first transmitted, our Earth itself didn't even exist. Number 22. On Earth we see rain and snow, but on Venus it rains sulfuric acid and instead of snow iron falls from the sky. Number 23. Space is absolutely silent. Astronauts cannot even hear each other's voices without radios because sound needs air to travel and there is no air in space. Number 24. In space, astronauts' height increases by up to 5 centimeters because in the absence of gravity, the spine stretches as the joints between vertebrae expand. Number 25. The International Space Station can be easily seen from Earth with the naked eye. If you spot a bright, fast-moving star-like object in the sky, it's the ISS. Number 26. In space, astronauts cannot burp because in zero gravity, gas cannot separate from liquids inside the stomach. Similarly, normal pens don't work in space due to the lack of gravity. Number 27. Every year, the moon moves 4 centimeters farther away from Earth. Number 28. Even though Earth and Mars share the same sun, sunsets on Earth appear red and orange, while on Mars, sunsets look blue. Number 29. Countless asteroids roam space, and many could cause huge destruction if they entered Earth's atmosphere. But one planet protects us: Jupiter. Thanks to its strong gravity, Jupiter pulls most asteroids toward itself, keeping Earth safe. Number 30. Earth is made of rocks, soil and water, but about 40 light years away, there exists a planet where the surface is made entirely of diamonds. Scientists call it a super Earth. Finally, the reason the sky looks blue from Earth but black from space. Light is made of 7 colors. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, the blue color, because of its short wavelength, scatters in all directions when it hits air molecules. This scattering makes the sky appear blue. At night, when the sun is absent, we see the sky's true color black. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Science Town. Don't forget to like the video. Love your support. See you in the next amazing video.